Students, today we will understand how to insert table in Microsoft Word. First, we will understand that what is a table. Table is a structure of rows and columns, and intersection of rows and columns known as a cell. In cell, we can insert text, graphics, numbers, images. Also, if we want, we can format the tables in various styles. Why we use insert a table in Microsoft Word? Whenever we have any tabular information in that rows and columns are required, we can easily use tables in MS Word. Now we will understand how to create a table in MS Word. There are various ways to insert a table in a MS Word. Few we are discussing here. First is with the help of table button. As you can see in this picture, to insert a table with the help of table button, first go to the insert tab, then just see there is a table button and this grid will comes. In this grid, select the number of rows and columns with the help of mouse and then simply click. As we will click, that blank table will be inserted in our document. This is the simplest way to insert the table in Word. Another method is that suppose we want exact number of rows and columns we want to insert, we can also take the help of insert table option that is available in a table button. When we click on an insert table button, we will get the insert table dialog box. Here we will enter the number of rows and number of columns we want. Also, if you want, we can adjust some features like fixed column width, auto fit to content, या auto fit to window, and then we will click on a OK button. This way also we can insert table in our document. Now also, if you like, we can draw table ourselves with the help of pen. For this work, what we have to do, we will go to the insert tab, table button, and at the bottom there is a draw table option. We will click on a draw table option and then we can draw the table with the help of pen. See, this type of way we will get the table we want. We can draw columns and rows according to our need. Now another method is a use of quick table option. What is a quick table? We will discuss. First, see how to use this option. We have to go to the insert tab and here you will see table button. In table button, last option is quick table. So we will click on the quick tables. Now what is a quick table? Actually it is a gallery of pre-formatted table. इसमें पहले से tables की design दे रखी है और contents भी दे रखा है. So if you want to select any format we like, so simply we will click on one of a format and see we will get the table format with the content also. Here we will edit the contents and we will enter our own data. So quick table allow us to use pre-formatted tables. We don't have to think how to design the table, how to fill the color. Next, once the table is inserted in MS Word, we will add the data in the table. Simply we have to click in the cell and we can type our data. But to move between the cells, we will use the tab key or arrow keys. Tab keys allow us to move to the right side cell, next cell, and shift plus tab key allow us to move to the previous cell. Here in the MS Word we can use arrow keys also. We have 4 arrow keys. So if you want, we can use 4 of them to move between the cells. Up arrow key, down arrow key, left arrow key, right arrow key. So this way we will add data into the table. Now if you want to perform some other operations on table, for that we have to select rows, columns and cell. So we will discuss how to select rows, how to select columns and cells. Now the first, if we have to select the entire row, Then we have a, as you can see, we have a option. We will go to the left side in the selection area, selection bar area, and simply we will click. As you can see, there is a arrow mark. Just take your mouse pointer to this side and click on the click. Entire row will be selected. You can see in this picture the second row is already selected. So this is the simplest method to select the entire row. Now for any purpose, if you want to select the entire columns, just we will bring our mouse pointer just above the column and our mouse pointer will changes into the down arrow. As it is changes into down arrow, we will click it and entire column will be selected. We can do various works with the selection. If we have to select a single cell, then what we will do? We will take our mouse pointer to the left edges of the cell. This type of mouse pointer changes into this type of arrow diagonal pointer and just click, cell will be selected. To select the entire table, we have another option. There is a move handle button on the upper left corner. If you simply click on that, the entire table will be selected. So these are few ways to select the rows, columns, cells and table. But simplest method is the same. We will place our mouse pointer to any cell and we will drag our mouse pointer to the last cell we want to select in the table. This way also we can select the cells in table. Now we will understand that how can we insert new row and new column in our table. For doing this, first of all we will click in the cell where we want to insert new row or column. Okay, and then we will click on the layout tab. This tab will automatically appear when we will click inside the cell. In layout tab, we will find out that there are 4 options given in rows and columns group. These options are insert above, insert below, insert left, insert right. Insert above and below are used to insert rows. Above the rows of selected rows and below the selected row. And insert left and right we will use when we want to insert a new column. So here we have clicked on insert right. We want to insert a new column. See, we have inserted a new column, that is roll number column. So this is the way we can insert rows and columns. Now suppose if we have to insert cell, then the option is little bit different, because as you know, cell is a part of rows and columns. It is not a separate from them. So there is another way to insert cell, that is, first of all we have to click in the cell where we want to insert the new cell. Then we will see that there is a dialog box launcher, that is known as a insert cell dialog box launcher, right side of the rows and column group. We will click on this option and this type of insert cell dialog box will appear. In these there are 4 options. We can select any one of the given option, like shift cell rights. If we select this option, right side cells will be shifted, that cell will be shifted to the right side. If we select second option, shift cell down, so the cells will shift down to give the place to the new cell. And insert entire row will insert complete new blank row for the cell, and insert entire column will enter complete new column for the new cell. So we have to select any one of the option. Here we have selected shift cell down and then we will click on a OK button. Please carefully see, in this picture you will find out that cell, to insert cell, there is a new remaining cells was shifted down and we have got the new cell at that place. So this way we will insert a cell in our table. Our topic is over. Thank you.